Congratulations.
Thank you.
It's a dream come true. How do you feel today, climaxing this journey so far?
Yeah, I feel elated. I feel happy. It's been a long journey, and we thank God that God did it. All glory to God. And now we can start firing from all cylinders. Yeah, we'll do the best we can to become a judicial evangelist, to ask for a complete amelioration of our judicial system, to stamp corruption out of judicial practice in this country. We will herald that, we will campaign that, and we will make sure that that evangelism becomes our primary objective. Definitely I'm going to practice, and it is going to be constitutional law and human rights.